Are you looking for the best sublimation printer? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best sublimation printer on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description for each product mentioned. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1. Epson EcoTank Photo ET 8550. The Epson EcoTank Photo ET 8550 is a versatile wireless wide-format all-in-one printer designed for photo enthusiasts and creative professionals. It features a cartridge-free system with a 6-color Claria ET Premium ink set, delivering vibrant colors and sharp text for various projects. This printer supports borderless photo printing up to 13 inches by 19 inches and can handle media up to 1.3 mm thick, including cardstock and CDs, DVDs. With an ISO print speed of 16 pages per minute for black and 12 pages per minute for color, it efficiently manages both photo and document printing tasks. The 4.3-inch color touchscreen simplifies operation, and the printer offers multiple connectivity options, including wireless, 802.11b, G, N, A, AC, Ethernet, and USB. The EcoTank Photo ET 8550 is compatible with Epson Smart Panel, Apple AirPrint, and Mopria, allowing for seamless printing from various devices. Additionally, it boasts a high-resolution flatbed scanner capable of scanning up to 4800 by 1200 dpi, making it suitable for detailed image and document scanning. The printer's design emphasizes cost efficiency, with each ink bottle set providing up to 2 years of printing and offering savings of up to 80% compared to traditional cartridges. This makes the Epson EcoTank Photo ET 8550 an excellent choice for those seeking high-quality, wide-format printing with low operational costs. Number 2. Canon PIXMA G1220. The Canon PIXMA G1220 is a single-function Megatank inkjet printer designed for users who need high-volume, cost-effective printing without scanning or copying capabilities. Featuring Canon's Megatank system, it delivers an impressive yield of up to 6,000 black and white pages and 7,700 color pages per full ink set, significantly lowering the cost per print. It offers a maximum print resolution of 4800 by 1200 dpi, ensuring sharp text and vibrant photos, and supports borderless printing up to 8.5 inches by 11 inches. The rear paper feed accommodates up to 100 sheets, making it suitable for moderate to high-volume printing tasks. Connectivity is provided via USB 2.0, and it is compatible with both Windows and Mac OS. With its straightforward functionality and reliable performance, the PIXMA G1220 is ideal for users seeking an efficient, economical printing solution. Number 3. Canon Megatank GX3020. The Canon Megatank GX3020 is a versatile wireless all-in-one inkjet printer designed for high-volume printing needs. It offers print, copy, and scan functionalities, making it suitable for both home offices and small businesses. The printer boasts an impressive page yield, capable of printing up to 6,000 black and white pages and 14,000 color pages using a single set of inks, significantly reducing operational costs. Its compact design includes a 1.35-inch monochrome LCD screen for easy navigation and control. Connectivity options include Wi-Fi, allowing for mobile printing solutions and seamless integration into various work environments. The GX3020 is engineered for efficiency, featuring fast print speeds of up to 18 images per minute for black and 13 images per minute for color documents. With its high page yield, low cost per print, and user-friendly features, the Canon Megatank GX3020 stands out as a reliable choice for those seeking a cost-effective and efficient printing solution. Number 4. Epson EcoTank ET 15000. The Epson EcoTank ET 15000 is a wireless all-in-one inkjet printer designed for high-volume printing needs, offering print, copy, scan, and fax functionalities. It features a cartridge-free system with easy-to-fill supersized ink tanks, allowing users to save up to 90% on ink costs compared to traditional cartridge-based printers. The printer delivers vibrant prints up to 13 inches by 19 inches through its rear feed tray and scans up to 8.5 inches by 14 inches via the automatic document feeder, ADF. With a 250-sheet front tray and a 20-sheet rear tray, it accommodates various paper sizes and types. The 2.7-inch color touchscreen provides intuitive navigation, and the printer supports wireless connectivity, including Wi-Fi Direct, enabling mobile printing solutions. The EcoTank ET15000 is ideal for users requiring wide-format printing capabilities without the hassle of frequent ink replacements. Number 5. Epson Workforce WF7710. The Epson Workforce WF7710 is a versatile wireless wide-format all-in-one inkjet printer designed for high-quality printing, scanning, copying, and faxing. It supports borderless prints up to 13 inches by 19 inches and scans up to 11 inches by 17 inches, making it ideal for creative professionals, architects, and small businesses. Powered by precision core technology, it delivers fast printing speeds of 18 ISO ppm, black, and 10 ISO ppm, color, with automatic two-sided printing to save paper. The printer features a 250-sheet front-loading paper tray and a rear feed for specialty media, along with a 35-page auto-document feeder for efficient scanning and copying. Connectivity options include Wi-Fi Direct, Ethernet, and NFC, enabling seamless printing from various devices. The 4.3-inch color touchscreen provides intuitive navigation, and the printer is Amazon-replenishment ready, ensuring timely ink replenishment. With its wide format capabilities and robust features, the Epson Workforce WF7710 is a reliable choice for those seeking professional quality prints and efficient workflows.